This is what it looks like defending a small town. Explosions all around you. Will you live till tomorrow? Where is the enemy hiding? If I look out of the window, I could be shot. A drone can go out and do the same job, and even drop a bomb on the enemy round the corner. We need bullets, we need shells. We need drones.
Message from Dorota, frontline medic.
Thank you Andrew and Tom for your 2 drones, they arrived quickly. We are glad to hear more are on the way. All you watching, please help our boys here, they are working hard, together we can win.
Glory to Ukraine.
In a small workshop, in a small village somewhere east of Poland, a group of young men are putting drones together as fast as they can. They do it for free. For Ukraine. We can purchase cheap components and they can make a drone in 40 minutes. Price, just under $400. This is the way to help in the fight. Donate what you can or give $400 or equivalent and we will make a drone with your name, or any message you like, on it. We will send you a photo of the drone after a few days. See YouTube text for details.